Welcome back to Doc's Boost. Today we're going to do a seat back latch on the Peggy's 07 GT. You know, the seat back release lever that's right on the back of the seat. Cable broke, so it doesn't work anymore, so we got to take the seat out, pull the seat cover up, replace the latch, put it all back together, clean it all up on the way in, and make it like new. So, step-by-step process. Take a look at this. Peggy's 2007 GT, pretty car. That seat back latch gets broken, and that latch doesn't work the seat anymore. You always have to reach down and do the lower portion of that. No action. See that? You have to reach down here and use that lever to move the seat back. So we're going to take the seat out, pull the seat cover up, put that up there, and then roll it back down, put the seat back in. So let's get some tools out, take the seat out, and we'll go from there. These are the tools you're going to need. 15/16 inch, 5/8, ½ inch, ratchet with an extension, maybe an adapter, hog rings, hog ring pliers, side cutters, pair of pliers, flat, Phillips #2, Torx, and one for the bezel around the seat back latch and one for the seat belt retainer on the opposite side of the seat. So what we got to do is take those plastic covers off, take the bolts out. Peggy's car is kind of messy, but we're going to clean that up as we put it together. We got 2 more bolts to do up front, and I'll take them out and get the seat out of there after I disconnect the wires from underneath, and we'll get it out of there. Okay, I got the seat inside the house nice and cool down while we're doing the job. The idea is to roll the seat cover up, place the lever, pop the knob back on, roll it back down, tuck it in, clean it off, put it back in the car. So, easy pry, button off, Torx head right there. Clip keeps the lever on the shaft. One Phillips head screw right back here. We have a clip here, clip right there. Little button down here. Velcro right here and right here to keep it tight against the seat. Well, that looks like a good place to stop to let you know all about what hog ringing is, because that's what I'm in there digging for right now. The last scene that you just saw. And the thing about hog ring is that it actually connects two things together in an upholstery situation. What I'm looking at is a rod that's built into the seat back, molded into the cushions, another rod that's sewed right into the seat cover. So on the inside there, when I pulled the seat cover up to that point, what I find is a ring like this, a hog ring, that's connected like this. That's the hog ring, and that's what it's going to look like I said, two here, and two here. And what you see me doing in there is just taking a pair of side cutters, grabbing it, giving it a twist so it separates, because a hog ring actually looks like that. So I need to twist it and so it opens up again so it can come off of there. Separate that. Do that 6 times to separate the seat cover from the seat back, and then continue on. Now, before we get back to it, get back to the video of how to do this job, it's probably a good idea to understand again how you put it together once you come back to this point. So, you find the rod that stays there molded into the seat back cushion. You're pulling down the seat cover, and when that happens, you get close to the same point. Yeah, when you connect these two, it keeps the seat cover and the seat cushion kind of streamlined and tight. So it's a nice, clean, smooth look. So you take the hog ring pliers with grooves built in to hold the hog ring, attach the hog ring into the grooves so you have it looking like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this, and I found the best way to do it is to first get close, hook the one molded into the seat itself, and then pull this down into that hook so you got both of them hooked in there. Squeeze the pliers and it attaches the two rods just like that. You're going to repeat the process 5 more times to put another one in the middle, 2 on this end and 2 on this end, and then you're home free. So that's what hog ringing is. These are the pliers, and let's get back to the video and finish the job. Wherever it's got to come out, screws will go in its place. Disconnect the cable from down here. Cable broke on this one. We got it working. seat back works just fine. We're ready to put the seat back in the car. So let me get the bolts and we'll bolt her down. Finished job. Works like a charm. I'll probably go take it down to her at work and drop it off to her. So that seat back latch cable breaks quite often, so maybe many of you out there have the same problem and never wanted to tackle it because you didn't know what you were in store for. So I hope this video helps in the process of you buying, it's about an $85 part, and then putting it in yourself, saving you a whole lot of money in labor, because it is a kind of a labor intense process. So if you haven't subscribed, take care of that now. Take a look at other videos, how-tos, fun stuff, racing, and keep coming back often to Doc's Boost, because you never know what's coming your way right here on Doc's Boost. And as always, stay safe out there.